Hi, this is Diana, and today we're making this easy peach topping for pancakes. First thing you do is add cornstarch and some cool water to a bowl, and then you're just going to mix it together until everything gets smooth. You want to make sure that your cornstarch is dissolved in the water. When it's finished, it should look like milk. And then you can just set that bowl to the side. Then you're going to grab 2 cans of sliced peaches that are in juice. Don't use the ones that are in heavy syrup because your sauce will get too thick. You're going to drain the juice off one of the cans. I usually just save this and put it in a smoothie or something later on. And then you're going to leave the liquid on the other can. One can will be drained and one can will be undrained. Then you're going to dump both cans of peaches into a large saucepan. Add your brown sugar. Add granulated sugar. Add cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Then just give it a mix and turn the stovetop onto medium heat. You're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes, just stirring it occasionally. You just want the sugar in there to dissolve. And once that happens, you're going to turn the heat up to medium high. And once it starts to bubble, grab your cornstarch slurry, give it one more stir just to make sure the cornstarch didn't fall to the bottom. And then you're going to slowly pour it in while you're stirring your peaches at the same time. That helps to make sure it doesn't clump up. Continue stirring your peaches constantly over medium-high heat. I do it for about 1 minute, and you'll see that the sauce thickens up. I don't make mine super thick. I kind of like it to be a little bit loose so that it could just flow over my pancakes. But if you want yours to be thicker, you can keep stirring it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and it will thicken up even more. And once it gets to the thickness that you like, you can go ahead and cut the heat off. And you're just going to stir in your vanilla extract. Once you do that, you're all done. It's a really simple and quick recipe that tastes really good on pancakes or waffles. Here's my pancakes. I'm just going to put some butter on the top, then put some syrup on there, and put the peaches right on top of that. I let the peaches cool down a little bit, but I serve them while they're still warm. The details for this recipe are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.